Hi children, welcome to today's social science class. In our last video, we started a new lesson, that is Geography first chapter, Environment. In that video, I explained about what is environment and what are the components of environment and natural environment. Okay, these points we discussed. Okay, today I am going to explain about ecosystem and human environment. How human beings modifying their environment, how it affects, and all these things in this video I am going to explain. So let us start our class.
Ecosystem. All plants, animals, and human beings depend on their immediate surroundings. Often, they are also interdependent on each other. This relation between the living organisms as well as the relation between the organisms and their surroundings form an ecosystem. There could be an ecosystem of a large rainforest, grassland, deserts, mountains, lake, river, lake, river, ocean, and even a small pond. Now we can give a definition for ecosystem. Ecosystem, it is a system formed by the interaction of all living organisms with each other and with the physical and chemical factors of the environment in which they live, all linked by transfer of energy and material. Human environment. Human beings interact with the environment and modify it according to their needs. Early humans adapted themselves to the natural surroundings. They led a simple life and fulfilled their requirements from the nature around them. With time, needs grew and become more varied. Human learns new ways to use and change environment. They learn to grow crops, domesticate animals, and lead a settled life. The wheel was invented, surplus food was produced, barter system emerged, trade started and commerce developed. Industrial revolution enabled large scale production. Transportation became faster. Information revolution made communication easier and speedy across the world. A perfect balance is necessary between the natural and human environment. Humans must learn to live and use their environment in a harmonious way. Children, on 5th June every year, the World Environment Day is celebrated. What is barter system? Barter system, it is a trade in which goods are exchanged without the use of money.
Okay children, let us wind up today's class, and this chapter is also over. Today we will discuss about what is ecosystem and what is its importance, and about the human environment and how human beings modified their environment, how it affects. All these things we discuss. Okay, so the coming Saturday, June 5th, is World Environment Day. So now you understood what is the importance of our environment. So we have to, when the human beings are modifying their environment, that time we have to keep a perfect balance, because all living things need to live. They have right to live. So we have to careful. With that understand, we can plant a tree. Okay, so like that we have to understand the importance of environment, and we have to protect our environment. Then only we can live in a peaceful way. Okay, thank you to listening my class.